If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Correct the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and so first to the face I hear the voice, so you don't know say a KOGENCY for the KOGENCY React channel. And today we have Marley Strip, Richi with How It Goes. Bro, no. Is he back? Cause it's not an official release, you know. And some part of me doesn't like that. Because I don't want to be, if he's back, I don't want to be, you know what I'm saying, reacting to leaked songs that, you know, he doesn't want out there. You understand? But if anybody know him or anybody from the team, whatever, and, you know what I'm saying, y'all don't want this shit out there, you know what I'm saying, just let me know, man. Because, you know what I'm saying, if he's back, I actually want a video with it and be it, you know what I'm saying? So I don't want to fuck up anything or be a part of the reason why it got fucked up. You understand what I mean? But yo, today we have Marley Strip, Richi, How It Goes. As I said, dog, I don't know if he's back, but I really want to hear this song, though. So, let me just react to it. I'll upload it, and then if the man them, you know what I'm saying, the Marley man them be like, yo, you know what I'm saying, the man them want to shoot a video for that, so can you take that down? I'll be like, yeah, man, I'll do that for you, man, you know? Bro, I'm ready to drink with the t-shirt. Anyway, man, hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments. Reply to all comments. Let's go, gang. Oh. Whose tag is that? Young Disher on the beat. And I can't even say who did it. But big up my man. Gang. Yeah. Hey. Just add a second melody to this now, dog, and you got it, bro. I swear. Come on.
Let me tell it goes, 14 years old. We were all just kids. We all started robbing them phones, but I knew that weren't gonna stick.
Okay, alright. So, initially, I can tell that this vocal don't mix. You know, it's just the vocals on the rhythm. But, alright. So, it's probably not an official thing. So, I don't feel so bad.
14 years old. We were all just kids. We all started robbing them phones, but I knew that weren't gonna stick.
Aye.
Then I found out about weed, then I went and made me a flip.
Oh.
Little boy started seeing dough, I was dumb, left it all in my crib. I was 15 when I first got nicked. With a little flick.
Fam, the man is telling us the story. Okay. So, he must have seen that, you know what I'm saying, we were watching, what's my man's name? Drillers UK. And he was doing story of Richi and he was telling us, so Richi was like, nah, man, I have to tell you my story. How can somebody else tell you my story? I have to tell you my story. Hey, Richi, start over, bro. Now that I realize what's going on, start over.
14 years old.
No. Here. Come on. Talk to me.
Let me tell it goes, 14 years old.
Aye.
We were all just kids.
Yeah.
We all started robbing them phones, but I knew that weren't gonna stick.
No.
Then I found out about weed.
Then I wanna make that flip. Oh.
Little boy started seeing dough, I was dumb, left it
all in my crib.
I was 15 when I first got nicked. With a little flick. Wanna know why I took that risk? You can ask my dog, I've known him since. Down in my face, I was there on the brink. But I had to keep it moving. From young man's been that nuisance. And my Rambo blading unit. 014 was the hardest year. Had to shed the tear. My niggas got left, got hit with the L play, but certain man don't care. Just so my bro, he weren't prepared. Stood in that.
That's what they call it, a L play?
My niggas got left, got hit with the L play, but certain man don't care. Just so my bro, he weren't prepared. Stood in that dock and I know you're scared. I was on a block, just me and my peers. I started off slow, but I switched them gears. Listen, 015 to start. No more weed, just let it go. Built me a line with 3 of my dogs, made 20 stacks, that was just the start. Then I got grabbed with all of that hard. I got bagged with a girl, so it's kinda hard. Then my prince came back on the package, so I told souls I'ma face that charge. But then prince was.
Oh no. And the fact that he just continued flowing after that, dog, you're disrespecting me, bro. You're disrespecting me. You're not giving my brain enough time to analyze the flows, dog. Fuck, you know.
Broke, you weren't prepared. Stood in that dock and I know you're scared.
Yes, right before here.
Hit with the L play, but certain man don't care. Just for my broke, you weren't prepared. Stood in that dock and I know you're scared. I was on a block, just me and my peers. I started off slow, but I switched them gears. Listen, 015 to start. No more weed, just let it dark. Built me a line with 3 of my dogs, made 20 stacks, that was just the start. Then I got grabbed with all of that hard. I got bagged with a girl, so it's kinda hard. Then my prince came back on the package, so I told souls I'ma face that charge. But then prince was circumstantial, so I went and clocked that angle. Even though that I bust that case, it was more than a nigga can handle.
Oh, he's circumstantially was the case. I love to hear that still.
Then my prince came back on the package, so I told souls on my face to charge.
Charge.
But then prince was circumstantial, so I went and clocked the angle. Even though that I bust that case, it was more than a nigga can handle. Me, I got stress in my mind at them good days. Let me rewind that. 20 man, they were down to ride. Now there's not even 5 man. And I was in bed.
Wow. 20 man down to ride. Now there's not even 5 man. You understand? Ah, boy, leave the roads.
Heard bro got dropped, I couldn't believe that my bro got shot. I'm looking around like who's and what. It was only a few that turned it up. Following year, I ran out of luck, got grabbed again. And me thinking, fuck. Cool red handed with all that grub. I still thank my lord that the case got bust. This shit's cold.
How does he keep busting these cases, fam? He has the judge.
And me thinking, fuck. Cool red handed with all that grub. I still thank my lord that the case got bust. This shit's cold, make you lose your mind.
Yeah.
I got the phone call, my little broski died.
Jesus Christ. Fam, that's like 2 people who's mentioned that died already, man. Like, as much as we watch his story and we talk about, oh, you know, OJ Trapper and, you know what I'm saying, king of the block at a young age or whatever, like, there's a lot of trouble. You understand? It's not all it's chalked up to be, bro. You understand? So I like when they come and they portray these things in the music. You understand?
Cool red handed with all that grub. I still thank my lord that the case got bust. This shit's cold, make you lose your mind. I got the phone call, my little broski died.
RIP, man.
My little nigga, for your risk my life.
Aye.
I'ma drown my sorrows, all I need is Sprite. I can't spend the night.
You understand? A lot of people joke about their drug their drug use, but they're really trying to drown out all of those thoughts, bro. Trust me, when you're sober, you can't control those thoughts, man. Trust me.
Life. I'ma drown my sorrows, all I need is Sprite. I can't spend the night, cause I'm still in the kitchen. You know I'm whipping up. I'm sipping lean, I'm in my zone, I'm feeling stuck. She at prestige, but she still give it up. Just like my burner, I can bet I make a bust.
Aye, the money, aye, listen. Rich, you got it in, bro, but just turn up the auto-tune a little more and then, bro, you and Baby Man go do a wave song. I swear.
I'm sipping lean, I'm in my zone, I'm feeling stuck.
Because even though Richi can't necessarily sing, him can hold the note. So when the auto-tune go on it, it will put it into the note. Bro, like, I'm a music nerd, you know, so you have to understand certain things that I say won't come across as clear in terms of what I'm talking about. But I'm sure you know what I'm talking about, because that was pretty easy to understand.
So I'm whipping up, I'm sipping lean, I'm in my zone, I'm feeling stuck. She at prestige, but she still give it up. Just like my burner, I can bet I make a bust. And babe, I'm leaning. So she wanna bum me in the evening, but she know I can't become geeking. Baby, what's the meaning? When I say I love you, but don't mean it. Yeah, you know you're fucking with some demons. You know you're fucking with them.
Oh, no. This is a what, dog? I like this hook, blood.
Whipping up.
What?
Need the spread. I can't spend the night, cause I'm still in the kitchen. You know I'm whipping up. I'm sipping lean, I'm in my zone, I'm feeling stuck. She at prestige, but she still give it up. Just like my burner, I can bet I make a bust. And babe, I'm leaning. So she wanna bum me in the evening, but she know I can't become geeking. Baby, what's the meaning? When I say I love you, but don't mean it. Yeah, you know you're fucking with the demons. You know you're fucking with them. The you hoes ain't busting in them.
Dog, bro, that is just the flow. And bro, any rapper or any person that can do wave rap and like street rap, bro, you have like a recipe for success right there, bro. Because you have hooks and verses for like 3 albums, bro, I promise.
You're fucking with some demons. You know you're fucking with them. The you hoes ain't busting in them. Still screaming, fuck the system. They took my dogs and you know I missed them. Fucked up, I caught a nicking. They bagged me twice, but I played the victim. Could've bought that true religion, 15, but I went and bought a smithing. And I went and got it all off light. Flashbacks when I slept till 5. Can't believe I only hit him twice. Oh well, next time I'ma do that right. I'ma do that proper. Don't ask what I do, I'm a shotter. Got Shanti, Madonna, me my doggy, my brother. And for him I'll light your block up.
Oh, fuck you, man. That like, how is this not an official thing? That's, bro, I don't know.
Next time I'ma do that right.
Listen.
I'ma do that proper. Don't ask what I do, I'm a shotter. Got Shanti, Madonna, me my doggy, my brother. And for him I'll light your block up. But back to the pain, had to learn about patience. I was hands on for a month. Then I got complacent, heartbroken, my yard got raided. In the dock, had my heart be racing. And my niggas were there for my sentencing, so you know that I bond ain't basic. I see mum redo off for me. Who's real?
Hey, that's true, still, cause a lot of man not showing up to certain bands' court hearings, you know?
There for my sentencing, so you know that I bond ain't basic.
Aye.
I see mum redo off for me. Who's real? It's hard to see, so it's only my old school dogs with me.
Yo, bro, and he's speaking facts, dog. Only the old school dog is them, and I can't trust these new niggas, bro. I can't.
Me, who's real? It's hard to see, so it's only my old school
dogs
with
and me.
4.5 in B. I was showing these man at the market fiends, and I had to slap off my piece to show them man they can't target me. Man pull up, blast and leave. So she want fuck with a gangster, come fuck with me, it ain't hard to see. Your girl ain't loyal, pull out them racks and I bet she'll dance on me. Got a chat for J's, cause I had that weed, now got that hard on me. Pardon me if it ain't that, then I told that nigga don't talk to me.
Aye, don't talk to me. Aye, me and my nigga Richi. Aye, we gon' pull up and let that squeeze. Aye, we gon' pull up and let that splurge. Pull up and let man bleed. Aye, pull up and left man leaking. Aye, pull up and left man bleeding. Aye, pull up and left man screaming. Aye, I don't know that man even. Aye, you know I don't really mean it. Aye, aye, and your galley wants suck my penis. Listen. Aye, man, dog, bro. Wow, this was really nice. Let me take this shit. You know what I'm saying? Cause I need to really talk about that. Bro, that was really nice. The beat, soothing, and then he would chat grease and talk that real shit truth and just his life in the verses, and then him just smooth it out in the hooks, dog, and then you just start flowing, and even what he's saying, and it was the meaning, and the meaning. Like the man is hitting like notes, dog. I know he's not like singing like Ed Sheeran, but the man is still hitting notes, blood. And then, oh man, yeah, man. Wow. I'm just looking at myself in my TV like, that was amazing. But yo, big up Richi. We got the whole line Marley them. Bro, somebody commented on my video. That like, he said that like I have like 50% Marley in me. I was like, bro, you need to stop that. You're going to make people believe you, bro. You can't do that. You understand? But you don't know. Big up Abba Marley's them. It's one love. You understand? But yeah, this was amazing, dog. I really don't have anything else to say about it. Go check it out. You understand? Hit the links in the description. Click the like or dislike button, even though YouTube take away the dislike number. YouTube, I'm going to pull up to your office, dog. I swear to you. I'm not even going to say what I'm going to. But I'm pulling up with sauce. Anyway, man, hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments, reply to all comments. KOGENCY on the KOGENCY Reacts channel. And about this motherfucker, right? Bad. Them want them fuck them know for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round to